G'day, Aaron from Home Blinds Australia here. Today, I'll show you how to install your new CF90 cassette roller blind system. A great solution for those who want total light blockout. Let's get started. For this install, you'll need a cordless drill with a Phillips head bit, a 3mm drill bit, spirit level, tape measure, pencil, step ladder for high installations, a flathead screwdriver, and scissors. Your CF90 kit will list its included contents. Ensure that you have it all ready to install. Carefully remove the protective packaging. To ensure smooth operation and a form fit, measure your window recess, taking measurements from the top, middle and bottom of the frame for the width. Then measuring from the left, middle and right of the frame for the height. Remove the end caps and front face of the main housing. Using a tape measure, mark 3 points along the top of the housing. We recommend marking 10 centimeters from each end, and another mark in the middle. Using your drill and a 3mm drill bit, create a hole at each mark. Apply firm pressure to drill through the frame, taking care to not drill too far. Don't worry about being dead center with your drill holes. Once complete, they will be completely hidden. Place the housing into the window frame. It should fit snugly with the end caps in place. Ensure the depth of the housing is consistent at the left and right-hand side. Also, be mindful of obstacles that could prevent operation, such as protruding window locks. Once you are happy with the fit and placement of the main roller blind housing, secure it into place with appropriate screws for your window frame, not included. With the housing installed, take your blockout blind and install it into the housing with the chain end first. Slot the other side into the opposite bracket. The spring-loaded pin will make a loud click when secured in place. Feed the roller chain into the track guides. There is a small opening that will allow the chain to slide in between each bead. Install the front face and the end caps. Do a quick test run of the blind. If all is operating smoothly, we can move on. If not, take a look back through this guide and your instructions to ensure no step has been missed, or get in touch with our expert team. Now we will set up our cassette tracks. The tracks lock together like this. Using a flathead screwdriver, install the track locks in 3 equal lengths in the trough. Next, install the caps at each end of the vertical tracks. Noting the distinction between the top and bottom cap, drill 3 holes into each vertical track, 10 centimeters from the top and bottom and 1 in the middle. Install the brush strip into the side channel of the tracks. These ensure smooth and silent operation. Cut them to length with a sharp knife or scissors. On the main housing, install the vertical track tabs like so. Before installing the vertical tracks, roll down the blind slightly. Otherwise, the end caps will block operation. Measure the track at the bottom of the window frame. It should be the same length at the top where the housing is, and the same as its counterpart on the other side. The bottom cassette track should fit snugly between the vertical cassette tracks. Once you've lined everything up, secure the vertical and bottom tracks into place, ensuring they don't move off mark. Install the stopper bead onto the chain. Install the P-clip chain safety device at the bottom of the chain, ensuring it allows the chain to roll smoothly but with minimal slack. And that's the complete install. Your CF90 cassette roller blind should now open and close smoothly. Switch off all the lights and see the flush finish of the cassette system block all outdoor light in the room, making it pitch black. If you've had any difficulty with the install or have any more questions, our team of experts are here to assist you at any step, and they are just a call or click away. Thanks for choosing Home Blinds Australia.